I made her look like a good reindeer. Back to a very raw face. This is what I got, my look for Joya. But apparently while filming it, the camera ran out of battery, the phone ran out of memory. Joya doesn't want to redo the makeup.
So it looks amazing.
And so I had to wash my face and replicate whatever I did here on my face. So continue to watch while Joya sits here and look pretty. Before I go ahead, I'm gonna use this smashbox. It's basically a primer with the moisturizer, which I got as like a 3-0 for very cheap. I'm crying. Okay, basically gonna put this all over my face. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the foundation. That looked, actually it doesn't look that bad on you now, but before it looked completely orange on her, so, and it's broken, so I'm gonna the head's broken, so what you want? Okay, there's still product in there. I mean, okay, I'm not gonna fidget with this too. Okay, wow, that's a lot. You know, you look like a moth. That's what moth looks like, which is cute, I guess.
If you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say? Starting now.
Oh, climate change is real. Oh, give me your money.
That's all?
Climate change is real. Keystone species needs to be preserved. There needs to be better incentive of managing animals in wildlife. Stop cutting down trees because they actually work. Climate change. Feed people. Distribute jobs to everyone equally. Women should have rights. More rights. I think I went in with this one. Natural looking radiance for beautiful glow. You can look beautiful when you're beautiful from the inside. Agree? Agree. So the next thing I put on Joya's face is this bronzer, which has like kind of like gold specks going on from W7. Then I use this brush I just got from Minnesota again because cheap. Swirl it, and then I put it.
Okay. If your 5-year-old self suddenly found themselves inhabiting in your current body, what would your 5-year-old self do first?
Scream. Ah! And then a little bit here to make a buttony thingy majiggy going on. Because our nose are not the same. Joya has a different kind of nose, which is cute nose, and have a different kind of nose, which is an interesting nose. I'm gonna... I love the smell of this. Tinted lip balm, cherrybomb, and then I'm gonna go put it on the cheek.
Question: if you had to work but you didn't need the money, what would you choose to do?
Sell ice cream to kids. So I put a little bit on her nose too. There. Now I blended all this stuff towards my nose so I can look like it's so cold out here, but it's actually like 40 degrees Celsius. It is so hot. You do not want to be on the equator because it's so hot. And then I go in and use this kind of pink baby bright, like a Korean brand, and put it a little bit here because it's more pink as compared to the orangey thing just now. I don't know how to explain this, but just go with it. And it smells nice too. So I'm gonna smell, and then I'm gonna back to the nose. Stipple, stipple, stipple. Ooh! Translucent powder, always hard to do. Put it under eyes.
Okay, we're going to have another question.
Okay.
What is the stupidest thing you've done because someone dared you to? Where you swore at a guy?
I will never let that one down! Anyways, so after my cheeks look like this, and I look like I've been in the cold, so I'm using this ash brown eye pencil thing, and I'm just gonna do light strokes on my eyebrows because I don't want it to look too much. My hair. Why do I do that? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this she palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color chicken. Oh, where's the camera? Chicken on like upper eyelid. And then I'm gonna take it with this brush. And then eyes. Same thing on the other side. After I put on the Kailo Go Dee's these colors. Very pretty. From the Morphe palette. And then I'm gonna put it on the lower. Ooh, it is pretty. Potato.
So you want to look like a potato?
I mean, I want to taste like a potato. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna dip in here again, and I am gonna blend it in. So Joey has decided to leave me. Why does everyone leave me? Since I have this big of an eye, I'm gonna put some brown. I think I'm gonna go with this brown because it's got some gold specks on it. Gotta continue the theme. And I'm gonna line it on the very top, like here. 5 seconds rule. I'm gonna do the same for the other eye. I'm gonna use Ladylike. And then I'm gonna go on and apply it to cheekbones. Ooh, just like that. Just like that. Same thing here. Put a bit of fade here. And right, so I do it on my nose. And my coupe at the bow. There on the cherrybombs. Put her underneath my eyes. Same thing. My eyes. And then I'm gonna put Ladylike here in the corners so she can glow. Again, same kind of brownish goldish color under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with a gal and then pop to the top. Do the same thing on here. Haha, haha. There. And what I did for Joya was I kind of contoured her nose so it looked like a button kind of nose thing. Go in with this color right there, and then dab, dab. I hope there's no red on here still, but if there is, then what to do? And then highlight that over there, and kind of make it look like I got a button on nose. Then I'm gonna put a mascara. Now I think my mom said that, well, I forgot my mascara and I stole her, and these ones are supposed to be for the like bottom lashes. And then I'm gonna I forgot to curl my lashes. Whatever. But yeah, I don't like it when my lashes are clumped. I went in with this for Joya's lips. It's SIKE. Same thing. It's just kind of like peachy color. And I'm gonna put it like so. And I'm gonna use my tomato. Same thing. I got like 5 different kind of colors that look exactly the same, but not really. And I'm gonna apply it to the inside to create that gradient. I think I'm done. And that's my pimple. You can still see it. I'll pull the montage for you. Alright, so that is the look. I hope you guys really like the look and me ranting on about stuff. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video, and I look forward to posting more videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.